I am about to show you something most traders will never see. A way to trade without actually trading. Today, I am putting $100 into my account and letting my pocket option bot handle everything. No manual input, just the algorithm. Smash that like button and subscribe right now. At 8:30 a.m., I select Smart Recovery Mode. This is the secret sauce. Most people lose because of emotions. The bot wins because of math. I am closing my laptop now to grab breakfast. I will let the AI do the heavy lifting. 3 hours later. Check this out. The balance is already at $440. The bot tripled my money while I was just walking in the park. Stop staring at charts. The market only cares about data. This bot identifies patterns that a human brain misses. The final balance? $923. We turned $100 into nearly $1,000 in one day. Click the link below and install the bot. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.